In this test, a small explosive charge is used to release a fan blade from the disc. The engine has to contain the fan blade safely and also has to contend successfully with the resulting out-of-balance forces. A released fan blade contains enough energy to throw a medium-sized car some 100 feet into the air. In a full engine test, this energy is absorbed as vibration through the engine carcass, truly one of the most impressive sights in aero engine testing.
Bob, initiate the event. Five seconds. 15 seconds. Satisfied with the time? Okay, Lucky, bring your stick back. 20 seconds.